The Alerts widget allows you to create alerts and then receive notifications when a particular market reaches a certain price. To create an alert, click the Alert button on top of the chart or start typing the price in the Alerts widget. You can set the price manually or click the crosshair icon and then click on the chart to set the price. To adjust the price, simply drag the alert item on the chart to a specific price. After that, you can select a sound for the notification and add a note to this alert. Now click Save. Once the alert is created, you will see all the alerts on the My Alerts widget. Here you can filter them to show alerts for the current market only, alerts for all markets, active alerts, or past alerts. To edit an alert, click the pencil icon on the My Alerts widget, adjust the price, edit the sound of the alert, and edit the note. To delete an alert, just click the trash bin icon.